Today, I'll show you how to set up Bill.com, a powerful tool that can streamline your payment processes, whether you're managing a small business or working as a freelancer. By the end of this guide, you'll have a complete Bill.com account and be ready to manage your bills and payments with ease. Let's dive right into setting things up. The first step is to complete the quick setup. Once you've logged into your Bill.com account, you'll be guided to the setup page. This is where you'll set the foundation for your financial operations, so take your time to ensure everything is entered correctly. The quick setup will guide you through the essential steps needed to get your account up and running. Next, we'll add a payment method. This is crucial because without it, you won't be able to send or receive payments through the platform. Go to the Payment Methods section. Here, you'll have the option to link your bank account or add a credit card. If you're linking a bank account, you'll need your account and routing numbers, so make sure you have those handy. Bill.com will typically perform a small deposit verification to ensure the account is active and belongs to you. This process may take a couple of days, so be sure to check your bank statements for these small deposits, then verify them within Bill.com to confirm your account. Once your payment method is set, it's time to add vendors or customers. Depending on your business needs, you might need to enter information for those you'll be paying or those who will be paying you. Go to the Contacts section and click on Add Vendor or Add Customer. Enter the necessary details such as their name, email, and payment information. Having this information ready will save you time and ensure smooth transactions. If you have a long list, you can use the Import feature, which allows you to upload a spreadsheet with all the details, making the process more efficient. Now, let's add bills. This is the heart of Bill.com's functionality, helping you keep track of what needs to be paid. Navigate to the Bills section and click Add Bill. Here, you can enter the details of the bill, such as the amount, due date, and the vendor it relates to. You can also upload a digital copy of the bill, which is a great way to keep everything organized and accessible. If you receive recurring bills, you can set these up to automatically populate, saving you from entering the same information repeatedly. As you go through these steps, remember that accuracy is key. Double-check all the information you enter to avoid any hiccups in your payment processes. Each entry you make sets the stage for efficient and clear financial management, which is what makes Bill.com such a robust tool. Now, with everything set up, take a moment to explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features. Knowing where everything is will make managing your payments much easier in the long run. Pay special attention to the notifications and reminders, which will help you stay on top of your financial obligations. And there you have it, a complete setup of your Bill.com account. With your payment method added, vendors and customers inputted, and bills ready to be managed, you're all set to streamline your financial operations. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.